So in this section, I gave you just few important examples which you need to know of growth hacking. These are not exclusive, and there are thousands of others which are really great and which might work for your business. This is why I created a Slack group community where I invite all of you to join, where I'm gonna be posting more examples of growth hacking on regular basis, and where you can also discuss with other students maybe the growth hacks you are trying out, or which you already tried out and which worked for you or which didn't work for you. So I post the link to the Slack community in the resources to this lecture, and also you get it when you join the course. So if you have any more questions, if you want to know any specific example of growth hacking, ask me, write it in the discussion or in the Slack group. I'll be happy to discuss it with you, to tell you more. And I'm looking forward to talking to you and helping you to further grow your business. So thank you very much for listening, and I'm gonna see you in the next section.